But my purpose was without you. For one, when I asked you, you inspired me to the better, telling me for the better, to be a little bit poor, and let me help you. Take off your shoes, untie your shoestrings, take off your cufflinks. Do you want to eat, boo? Let me feed you. Let me run barefoot, whatever you decide. I just sing you a song, take my game on. I'll brush your hair, help you put your drag on. Wonderful rub, you want a manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you, cause baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man, baby, you blow me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. So let me cater to you, inspire me from the heart. Got to tear us apart, you're all in my hand. Life in your hands, I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Wanna let me cater to you. Hold it in my arms, I just want to take you to the streets away from you, making sure I'm doing my part. Boy, there's something that you need for me to do. If you want it, say the word. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna promise you I'll keep myself up. Same thing, you better love me. I'll keep it tight, I'll keep my figure right. Keep my head fixed, keep rocking like a outfit. When you come home, my shoulder roll over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve you. Loving you need to give it, it's my joy. All I want to do is cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you, cause baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man, baby, you blow me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Wanna let me cater to you, inspire me from the heart, can nothing tear us apart. Wanna my man, I put my life in your hands. I got your slippers, your dinner.